Hi everyone! For today's tips and tricks in ULS, we are going to review the checkpoints. So for our checkpoint data, you guys know that they are given monthly aligned with our monthly unit. So we've got our pre and post checkpoints. But one of the questions that we get asked a lot is, can you go back and retroactively take a checkpoint or deliver a checkpoint to one of your students for a unit that has already previously been taught? And the answer is you absolutely can. So we're going to head over to that hamburger button. We're going to scroll down to our GPS. Then we are going to head over to our monthly checkpoints. We select our monthly checkpoints. We're going to select administer checkpoints. And then from here, you'll see we've got show current school year. So we're going to select this little button here, and it's going to pull up any of those monthly units that are available for this current school year. So right now we're only in October, so it's just showing September, October, but we can toggle through. I could go to the previous school year and it just pulled up all of those checkpoints for last school year. So I could even go back and deliver that summer unit if I didn't get a chance to do it over the summer. So, and you have access to both those pre and post tests. And keep in mind, you can only deliver the post test once you've given your student the pre-test. So that is today's quick tips and tricks for ULS, and I will be following up with you guys with some more pointers. Have a good one.